Is your iPhone's auto lock time not working? It can happen for several reasons, but don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the auto lock issue step by step. Let's get into it right away. Solution 1. Disable low power mode. Open the Settings app, tap Battery, toggle off low power mode. After that, check if auto lock works as expected. Solution 2. Turn off guided access. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down and tap Guided Access. Toggle it off. Solution 3. Check auto lock settings. Open Settings, tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down, tap on auto lock. Select your preferred time. Check if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Update your phone. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. Alright, that's how you fix the auto lock time issue on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.